Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Waterville, Ohio, and home of Reimer Enterprises, Inc. Now in their 50th year, Reimer Enterprises has been committed to serving the industry with complete investment casting capabilities. Their management team takes great pride in ensuring everything they do, from customer interaction to the delivery of castings. Reimer assures the utmost attention during any project and will place the expertise of their skilled workforce at your disposal. Unlike many of their competitors, Reimer uses their own tooling shop. Their state-of-the-art equipment ensures perfect results every time. Their modern facilities and equipment greatly increase both their operations and their capacity. With the robotic dipping system, Reimer is able to reduce their lead time through the shop and improve the consistency of their products. In addition, Reimer's value-added machining capability, as well as other automation devices, further ensures operational efficiency. Reimer Enterprises and their employees care about their customers. The Reimer advantage starts with active owners who work in the business every day and make sure that the operation is running properly and serving the future needs of their customers. Reimer has many long-term employees who care about the quality of their products and work to make sure they do everything possible to get you your investment castings when you need them. Working closely with a variety of industries, Reimer is in the perfect position to meet your every requirement. Experience the Reimer advantage at reimerinc.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.